Hello everyone, I am Hajira Shifa. Today in this video we shall learn about microorganism and its types. Next, what is microorganisms? Microorganisms are very small organisms which can't be seen with the naked eyes or unaided eye. They can be seen only with a magnifying glass or a microscope. Microorganisms may be unicellular or multicellular organisms. Microorganisms may be single cell like bacteria, some algae and protozoa, or multicellular such as many algae and fungi. Next, types of microorganisms. They are bacteria, fungus, algae, protozoa, virus. Viruses are also considered as microorganisms. First type, that is bacteria. They are unicellular organisms. Some bacteria can cause infections, but they can be killed by antibiotics, by sterilizing or by using disinfectants. For example, examples of bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, etc. Then shapes of bacteria are rod-like shape, spherical shape and spiral shape. Next type is fungus. Fungus is the largest microorganisms that includes yeast and molds, as well as more familiar mushrooms. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms. Mold. Mold, a type of a fungus that causes decay and the production of carbon dioxide and alcohol. Yeast. Yeast, one of the largest microbe, a fungus used in the bread manufacture. Next type is algae. Algae are the diverse group of aquatic organisms. Algae can be unicellular or multicellular organism. Certain algae are familiar to the most people, for instance, seaweeds such as kelp or phytoplanktons, pond or the algal blooms in lakes. Next type is protozoa. Protozoans are unicellular eukaryotic heterotrophic organisms. They are either free living or parasites. For example, amoeba, paramecium. Next is virus. Viruses are also considered as microorganisms. These viruses are acellular organisms, a microbe even smaller than a bacterium. They can only become active inside other living cells. They are not affected by antibiotics. Viruses causes the flu and colds. Next, friendly microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for various purposes. Some of them are making curd. The bacterium called lactobacillus reproduces in milk and helps to convert milk into curd. Next is making bread. The fungus called yeast reproduces in flour draught and produces carbon dioxide during respiration, which makes the draught soft. Next friendly microorganism is a making medicine. Some bacteria and fungi are used to make medicines, which kills or stops the growth of diseases causing microorganisms. Such medicines are called antibiotics. For example, streptomycin, penicillin, tetracycline, erythromycin, etc. Next is making vaccines. Vaccines are dead or weakened microbes introduced in the body to produce antibodies. These antibodies protect the body from diseases causing microbes. Diseases like polio, cholera, typhoid, smallpox, hepatitis, etc. They are prevented by using medicines. Next is conclusions. Microorganisms are a diverse group of living things. They exist in many different environments. They can be prokaryotic or eukaryotic organisms. Some can be seen and some are to be small to be seen. Some of them are beneficial in many ways, whereas some other are harmful and also causes diseases.